freaking sucks. Son of a bitch. Good morning, everybody. It is it's March now. March 4th. 2025. I don't know if y'all could tell, but I'm in a completely different truck than I have been in. I had to get it swapped out because of the issues it was having. The truck has to go to the dealer. The whole shebang. This is an older truck. The truck is completely a mess, otherwise I'd show you. It is teal though, which is what I wanted in the beginning. My other truck was white. This is a 2023. The other one was a 2024. And for it only being 1 year older, it's got a lot of differences. Some good, some bad. It smells like cigarette smoke in here, which freaking sucks. Trying to sleep through the smell and wake up, and I don't know what it is in the middle of the night. It just freaking, it's so potent in the middle of the night. It's raining, so sucks to take the dog out because the dog will get soaking wet, get a stench, the wet dog smell. I don't want to deal with that. We'll have to drive to Iowa here. That's where our delivery is. We're going to a Hy-Vee distribution plant. We are 76,000 pounds, so we're pretty heavy. Could be heavier. I got a brand spanking new trailer. I'm pretty sure this is the first trip with this trailer to 2026, but I'm liking it so far. Everything's nice and clean. No problems with it. The tires are brand new. The lights are brand new. Stop sign. But anyway, let's get on the road here. Alright, so we're about a half hour, a little bit more than a half hour away. It says 37 minutes. The weather's not looking too great up ahead. The sky keeps getting darker, the wind keeps blowing harder, the temperature keeps getting colder, but we're just gonna keep rolling with the punches, I guess. We got our next load already, so we'll deliver this to the Hy-Vee distribution plant, and then we'll get going after that. Alright, we got all checked in here, and of course it's friggin' raining, and it's cold, and it sucks, and we got a door though. As soon as we got here, the guy that was here before me, they told him to wait. So I guess it wasn't his appointment time yet. But we gotta go to door 37. Don't lock the door on me, please. Pouring this hootie tootie off outside. What the hell was that? Got like holes or something in the trailer? Oh, watch out. I don't want to stand in front of that. Oh my fucking. It's a brand new trailer, so. Yeah. Wearing shorts and it's raining and it's cold. Lock the door on me. Move. Mother. Taking a shower. Put this in my pocket before he locks the door on me again. I've made it a habit. He's locked me out once and I learned my lesson. Put my eyeballs back on. Whew. Man, it's miserable outside. I'm changing in my pants as soon as I get to a door. This sucks. be able to see it. I always roll the window down, even when it's raining. Slow down here. We gave her too much. We can close the window up now. Haven't gotten you guys a backing video here in a while. Oh, we don't want copyrighted music. We don't want copyrighted music. I pressed the wrong button. Oh, I guess there's not a line. God damn. Y'all, just like that. Now time to unload and dry myself up and change my pants. So freaking decided a blizzard last night. I went to bed and it was pouring down rain. Now we got
300th Street is closed, switching to a new route.
Oh, well, that's great. Anyway, yeah, this trip became very much more interesting. It is so windy that I don't even think you can see my footsteps anymore. I went in to go use the bathroom, and the wind already covered my foot trail up with the snow dust that's already on the ground. So yeah, that's freaking nice. It's gonna be a fun day. It's gonna be a fun day. It's kind of hard to get out of here. This sucks balls. See if I can back up. I can't even back up. Huh, that worked. Well, that worked. Oh, maybe. I might need to lock them again. Oh my God. Get some traction there. Oh, come on. This freaking sucks. Alright. Forward again. I wish this beeping would freaking stop. Well, I'm stuck. I'm freaking stuck in this parking spot. And this constant beeping of the axle lock is not making matters any better. And now it won't turn off. Oh, this is great. Yeah, I'm freaking stuck. And I can't get the axle to unlock. Oh my goodness gracious, please, hold on. Well, this is some good YouTube content. Oh my god. This freaking sucks. Son of a bitch. Is this what we're oh god. I think I'm stuck here. We're trying to get out of here. I just wanted to get a better eyes on how close I was to that trash can over there. I'm friggin' soaked on my back now with snow. Got the camera rolling. The dog opened the freaking window. Why? Why would you open it? We just need to get over to the side a little bit more. I'm gonna lock this again. I know it's annoying. Oh, I'm stuck. We're gonna try it unlocked. Go, 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 go. Yes, I think we got it.
US 18 is closed. Switching to a new route.
I think we got it. We got it. Oh my god. Hold on a sec. Well, that freaking sucked. We're gonna try to get on the highway and see what the highway looks like. The road closed things are open, so. Oh, we stuck again. This sucks.
Turn left on I-35 South.
Slow and steady. Yeah, so I'm about to find the next closest truck stop. Because there's times where I literally cannot see anything in front of me. I mean, it's just a white out, like, dust of snow everywhere. It's kind of funny. My fleet manager just called, and he's like, hey, I see that you're moving again. What's your ETA looking like? I'm like, well, I'm probably... Oh, yeah, see, like this? Like this? Oh, my... I cannot see anything in front of me. What is this? Oh, my God. Yeah, no, I got this GPS to the next truck stop, and we're gonna get off because this load is not worth my life and anybody else's life out here, so it'll be safe just to stop. So I'm gonna get off here so I can concentrate. This 10 miles probably take me a half hour, but if that's what it's gonna take, that's what it's gonna take. So see you on the flip side. Stop sign. So I'm picking up here at this Purina in Davenport, Iowa, and I got a flat tire on the trailer, so this journey continues. Yay.